So I would like to ask, I'm planning to do a course in HR management. So could you recommend me, which one is the best, which suits me?
Well, first let me tell you, like you must have seen in language courses or many other training, there are certain levels, you see. Beginners level, intermediate level, and advanced level. The same thing is applicable in HR also. In fact, sometimes you take a course called CHRP, which is Certified Human Resource Professional, which is more for entry level, beginners level, and the basic level HR people who possibly have never worked with the HR department or just about 6 months to 1 year experience.
Okay.
And then there are courses which are like CHRM, which is like Certified Human Resource Managers course, where obviously you have a little bit of experience in HR, you have been working as an HR generalist, and then you are aspiring to become an HR supervisor or a manager.
Okay.
So we have provision for 2 or 3 different levels.
Okay.